This is a simple programming guide for the ST312 single program controller. Plug the controller in via the HAN7 socket, then comes up with a test routine which reads F1-0-1. It then displays the thermocouple type, which is a type S, and then it displays the temperature currently inside the kiln. We've got a simple start-stop button. We've got an arrow that points to the right for stepping through the program, an arrow that points to the left for going back through the program, and an up and down button for altering the values. But everything is pretty well done via this button here, which points to the right. So we've got the current temperature inside the kiln. Press the button once. We've got a delayed start feature, which 0 means it bypasses it and just goes straight to the next point. Or we can select so many hours and minutes from when we hit the go button or the start button before the controller switches on. So if I program it up now, hit the start button, it would be 2 hours 4 minutes before the kiln starts to fire. To clear that, we'll just wind it back down to 0. As you can see, it scrolls faster and faster the longer you hold your finger down. The first heating speed currently programmed in is 150 degrees. This can be altered either up or down by using the keypad, and it's going to climb at 150 degrees till it gets to 600. Again, this can be adjusted up or down as required. After 600, this kiln is going to climb at 200 degrees an hour to a top temperature of 1030, and it's going to hold 1030 for 15 minutes. Again, this simply can be adjusted up or down. And then after that, that's the last part of the program, so it's only a 2-ramp controller. The arrow to the right gets back to the main menu, and to start the controller we just press the start button. You hear the contactors clunk in. It shows me then that it's on a heating mode. It shows me it's firing degrees centigrade per hour, and periodically you'll see a full stop appear. That indicates that the contactor has been told to pull in and out by the controller. So this will be quite sporadic early on, as it's following a fairly slow heating speed, but you'll find as it reaches top temperature, that light will remain on for longer and longer periods of time. There you go, it's just come back in again. Once it's completed the firing, the controller will then display end, and it'll show you end and the current temperature inside the kiln at the moment as it's gradually cooling down. And that concludes the simple programming for the ST312 controller. Thank you.